Have you been stressing over how to move to or from Wilmington, Delaware? Well, you can call this your lucky day because 3 Movers is the most professional moving company in all of Delaware, giving you a no-hassle and no-worries service. Be it local moving or long-distance moving, we can manage it all. Just say the word. International moving is also one of our strongest specialties. Our professionals will transport your belongings to or from Delaware with ease, and we even offer packing and unpacking services. From as little as a teacup to that beloved vehicle of yours, we will easily have it transported from point A to point B. We even have storage facilities of all sizes. Our Delaware customers love us, and so will you. That's a promise. Don't forget about our insurance coverage options available to give you peace of mind. Just pick up the phone and dial 888-908-6496 to speak to the friendliest customer service agent ever. Or visit our website, 3movers.com, to get a free no-obligation price quote. Then just leave the rest to us.